Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gardening kneeler is probably one of the most sought-after gardening tools for those who want to enjoy their hobby without the aches and pains of constantly bending and kneeling. This video will dive into the top features to look for when choosing a gardening kneeler, helping you select the perfect one to make your gardening experience more comfortable and efficient, so you can spend less time worrying about your body and more time enjoying your garden. Number 5. TomCare Garden Kneeler. It features a widened kneeling pad for enhanced comfort during extended gardening sessions. Say goodbye to knee pain. With 2 large tool pouches, each with 4 pockets, you'll have plenty of space for all your gardening essentials. Keep everything organized and within reach. Use it as a comfortable kneeler to protect your knees, or flip it over to use as a convenient seat. It's 2 tools in one. Made from sturdy steel, it can support up to 330 pounds, yet it's lightweight and easy to move around your garden. Take it anywhere you need it. It makes a thoughtful gift for any gardening enthusiast. Give the gift of comfortable and efficient gardening. Get the comfort, convenience, and durability you deserve. Order yours today. What we like? Its extra-wide kneeling pad offers superior comfort during long gardening sessions. The 2 large tool pouches keep everything organized and within reach. If you value comfort and organization while gardening, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Very sturdy and as described, comfortable and functional. Really good quality for the price. It is perfect. Using it indoors satisfies the need I thought would come from a small stool or stepladder. And the biggest benefit for me is how easily I can get up now from sitting on the floor working on projects, repairs, cleaning, etc. This tool is lightweight and very solid. The seat and kneeling pad are firm yet soft. It is very easy to collapse the legs to fold it for storage. It's so easy and the perfect height, both ways, either for washing a car and flipping it to do the wheels, gardening, and so much more. Great for those who experience weak knees. Number 4. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. Introducing the Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. Its padded kneeling surface keeps you comfortable, and its sturdy design supports you while you work. This 2-in-1 design easily converts from a comfortable kneeler to a supportive seat. It's perfect for all your gardening needs. It's fully assembled and folds flat for easy storage. You'll be ready to garden in seconds. Made with a strong steel frame and durable EVA foam, it can handle anything your garden throws at it. It's lightweight yet incredibly sturdy. Keep your gardening tools close at hand with the 2 convenient attached pouches. Everything you need is right where you need it. Rest assured, it's made with safe, high-quality materials that have passed rigorous safety testing. Happy gardening. What we like? The elevated kneeling pad keeps your knees off the ground, reducing discomfort. It easily converts into a comfortable chair for different gardening tasks. If you need versatility and ease of use, this is the ideal option. What people say? Easy to assemble, easy to move and store, it's stable, not wobbly, and the padding is thick and perfect. Works 2 modes, kneeling bench and sitting bench. Handles make it easy to get up. Tool pouches are handy. To me it is very sturdy and has separate pads for sitting and for kneeling. Number 3. Abco Tech Garden Stool and Kneeler. This innovative garden tool is designed to make your gardening experience more comfortable and efficient. It's a stool and kneeler in one, perfect for any gardener. The soft EVA foam padding cushions and protects your knees, reducing strain and discomfort during long gardening sessions. You'll be able to garden longer and more comfortably. Easily switch between a sturdy seat and a comfortable kneeling pad. It's perfect for planting, pruning, or simply taking a break. Its foldable design makes it easy to store away when not in use and transport to your garden. Enjoy convenience and versatility. Keep your tools organized and within easy reach thanks to the handy removable tool pouch. It's a great way to stay efficient and organized while gardening. It provides reliable support for all your gardening needs, making it ideal for gardeners of all ages and abilities. Enjoy years of reliable use. What we like? The soft EVA foam padding provides excellent knee support and comfort. It easily transforms from a kneeling pad to a sturdy seat. If you prioritize comfort and space-saving convenience, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The perfect weed peeling, berry picking support device. It folds up easily for minimal storage requirement and works as a small portable bench for my berry picking bucket. This article can easily be a bench or a kneeling pad. Easily folds up for storage. Well made, very sturdy. It is easy to put together and very sturdy. The knee pad seat is comfortable and the supports make it easier to get up on your feet. Saves you from knee pain perfectly. Number 2. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat. This innovative garden tool is designed to make gardening more comfortable. It easily converts from a supportive kneeling pad to a convenient seat, saving your back and knees. Its durable steel frame can withstand up to 330 pounds and is built to resist rain, dirt, and snow. It's ready for anything your garden throws at it. The ultra-soft EVA foam cushion provides exceptional comfort, reducing pressure on your joints. You can garden for longer periods without discomfort. 2 detachable tool pouches keep your gardening essentials close at hand. No more searching for your tools while you work. It's perfect for gardening, but also great for repairs, camping, fishing, or any task needing extra seating. It's a truly multi-purpose tool. This folding garden bench makes a wonderful gift for any gardener. It's perfect for Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, or Christmas. All materials meet CA65 safety standards, ensuring peace of mind while you use it. It's a safe and reliable choice for all your gardening needs. What we like. The ultra-thick kneeling pad provides exceptional comfort and support. Its sturdy steel frame ensures long-lasting durability. If you need a robust and comfortable kneeler that will last, this is the one for you. What people say. It folds nicely and I was able to hang it out of the way in my shed using a common screw and a stud. The Stool kneeler is reasonably stable depending on the surface where used, e.g. concrete versus soft wet ground. The foam pad on the kneeler side is a little thicker than on the seat, which is part of the reason I chose this model brand. I also like the dual pockets that come with the product. They fit either way you are using the device, as a kneeler or as a seat. Number 1. Garden Kneeler and Seat. Are you tired of aching knees and back while gardening? This innovative kneeler and seat provides comfortable support, making gardening enjoyable again. It's sturdy, yet lightweight and folds easily for convenient storage. You'll be able to move it around your garden with ease. The reinforced frame and premium EVA foam cushion provide exceptional comfort. It's perfect for extended periods of kneeling or sitting. Keep your gardening tools close at hand with the included removable tool pouch. It attaches securely with Velcro. This kneeler and seat makes a thoughtful gift for seniors, grandparents, or anyone who loves to garden. It's also great for those recovering from joint surgery. We stand behind the quality of our product. Purchase with confidence, knowing you're covered by our 365-day warranty. What we like. This kneeler provides sturdy support to alleviate back and knee pain. It comes with a handy tool pouch for convenient storage. If you are looking for pain relief and convenience, this is a perfect option for you. What people say. The foldable garden stool heavy-duty gardening bench has been a game-changer, particularly for seniors who have a passion for gardening but face difficulties with prolonged standing. This well-designed stool has proven to be an invaluable aid, offering a comfortable seating option that greatly enhances the gardening experience. Its foldable design adds to its convenience, and the sturdiness of the bench is truly impressive. It's everything it said. The kneeling pad is thick. It's quite sturdy. Padding itself is stiff hard, but I'm sure over time it will be broken in. I weigh 175 to 180, I have no problem getting up by myself. First time in years I have my independence back when gardening. There is a pouch on the side for tools or whatever you need. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.